Hello and welcome to EMP. Figure I'd do a Roadhouse chapter on our channel as I'm having a hiatus from work and a little downtime. Here we have a couple cool spots in the greater Southern California LA area. Cornell Wine Company and the old place. All kinds of cool cars. Looks like a 69 or 70 Mustang there. About to take off. Modern Porsche. I see a Skyline in the corner. Couple vintage Mercedes 500 SLs. Volkswagen Carmagia. A couple Beamers. There's also an E30 M3. Oh, there it is. These guys are behind me coming up. Let them go by. They're doing a pretty good clip. I didn't see too many cops this morning. Here's a proper California hot rod. It's like a 32 Ford. Yeah, there we go. The quintessential hot rod, 1932 Ford. Nothing more Californian than this. Ducati motorcycle. He's either going to stop here or head up to the rock store. The world famous rock store's right up the road. Hello, here we go, bicyclist. Just do a quick walk around. This wine company's a cool place. Little booze to sit at. It's kind of artsy. If you want to see what's inside, you'll have to come see for yourself. This is Sunday, January 5th, 2025. Beautiful weather today. Couple Mustangs, Porsche, a couple vintage Lotus Esprits. These are one of my favorite cars.
Yeah, but I think you sent me that whole kit.
Black on red. Beautiful. It's an early Esprit. It's like a GT3. Yep. It's California car culture at its finest. There's my 2001 Roush Mustang. My dad bought that car new about 10 miles from here back in 2001. ZR1 Corvette, looks like 100th anniversary. All kinds of cool cars. A couple more Mercedes SLs, Porsche 993, Carrera. This might actually be a buddy's bike. That's a Desert X Rally, never mind. That's cool. C5 Corvette. Looks like a Z06. Nice Mercedes. Harleys in the corner. A few motorcycles. Nissan Skyline. It's definitely JDM import. Couple nice vintage 911. More motorcycles. Another 911. Another 911. Another. It's a Ferrari, I think, over there. Couple Mercedes. Beautiful. Let's put my favorite car here. Beautiful C3 Corvette. Front and rear chrome bumper, so 1968 to 1972. think in this color it's probably about a 68 or 9. That's the old place, and it's the Cornell Wine Company. And that is the world famous Mulholland Highway. If you head up that direction, you're running into the world famous rock store, which I'll film in a bit. Thanks for tuning in.